Yes, you are welcome to my channel. Yeah, we'll continue the second part of the auxiliary elevation, auxiliary elevation and plan that we started in the last class. Now we have been able to complete the auxiliary plan at an angle of 45 degrees. Now the auxiliary elevation too, we need to complete it according to the question. It's also at 45 degrees in the direction of arrow Q. So all you need to do is just use your set square and project the plan of the object. To construct auxiliary plan, you need to project from orthographic elevation, and to construct auxiliary elevation you need to project from orthographic plan. So it is vice versa. So now let us start. You project all the corners of the plan. This I'm still doing the base, I mean the bottom for now. I'm still doing the bottom, not considering the cut section for now. So you extend, make sure your lines are parallel so that you don't get double lines. Make sure your lines are parallel. Make sure your lines are very, very parallel. And the last one, oh, that's the last one. Yeah, so you can now draw a line perpendicular to this. How do we do that? Okay, let's draw a line perpendicular to this. Put it on this one, then you slide it a little bit away. You place this one on it so that you can get your XY line. So like this. Now for the bottom, you may not even need all these lines. For the elevation, you may not even need all this. What you actually need is the projection of, because all the bottom, all the numbers will be here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All of them will be at the bottom. They will not extend to the top. The one that need projection is the prime part, which is the cut section. So you don't need that portion. What you need is the cut section. Let us quickly project the cut section. Project 1. This is 1. 1 and 2, they are almost on the same line. 3 is separated. Then we have 4 here. We have 6 before that. Then finally 5. So let us extend them out. First one is 1, which is this, followed by 2, which is this, followed by 3, which is this, then 4. Which one is 4? Yeah, it's this one. That is 4. Then we have 6 here. 6 is here. Finally 5. Yes, we have all the lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes. Now, along the line now, you need to now draw the measurement of this. You need to bring out all these corners. Out, 2 and 6, out, 3 and 5, out, and 4, out. So you draw a vertical line so that you can transfer them easily. Put a vertical line there, like this. So you now, at the bottom here, don't forget we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now here we have 1 prime, we have 2 prime, 6 prime, we have 3 prime, 5 prime, and finally 4 prime. So let us just use this one for transferring our line. You can just extend it a little, just for transferring our lines. Take it from the bottom to the first one, which is 1 prime. It's this point. Put it here. You mark it like that. Take it from there to the next one, 2 prime and 6 prime. From there to 2 prime and 6 prime, like this. Take it to the next one, that is to 3 prime and 5 prime, like that. So 3 prime and 5 prime, and the final one, which is 4 prime. Take it to 4 prime here, like this. Take it to 4 prime. So the next thing is to draw a perpendicular line at that point, and perpendicular line or parallel line to the base, yeah, like this, this, and that. So the next line we have 1 prime, that is here, 1 prime, followed by 2 prime 6 prime, 2 prime 6 prime, then 3 prime 5 prime. At the top we have 4 prime. Now let us locate 4 prime. This is 4 prime. Where is 4 prime? And this is 4 prime coming here. 4 prime is here. Now let us locate 3 prime and 5 prime. This is 3 prime. 3 prime is here, and 5 prime is here, like that. Then 2 prime, 2 prime and 6 prime. This is 2 prime. This one is 2 prime. See, it is on 2. Then 6. This is 6 prime is here. Then finally we have 1 prime. Where is 1 prime? This is 1 prime. It's 1 outside. 1 prime is this one. So you can connect them with straight line. Connect with straight line. Connect the last one. They are all connected together. So, concluding the question, we will now join the bottom to the top. Now this is 2 at the bottom. It is here. You can see 2 is here. It is going to, you can see 2 is going to 2 prime. And this is 2 prime. See, let us trace 2 prime again. You can see. No, this is 2 prime. This is 2 prime. And this is 2 here. So 2 is going to 2 prime. You connect them. This one will be thick line. You connect like that. Now 3 is going to 3 prime. Where is 3? 3 at the bottom is here, and 3 prime. This is 3 prime here. So this is connected to this, but this one will be hidden line because it is at the back. It will be hidden line like that. Then 4 at the bottom is here. 4 at the bottom is here. It's connected to 4 prime at the top. This is 4 prime. This one is connected to this. See, this will be hidden line as well. It will be hidden line because it's coming from the back. Definitely this one, which is 5, will cover it. So you get to realize that now. This is 5 at the bottom. 5 at the bottom is there, and 5 at the top is here. So by the time you draw this, you realize that yes, it's coming this way. So it's covering this one. Now let us look at 6 going to 6 prime. 6 at the bottom is this. 6 at the bottom is this. Going to 6 prime. This is 6 prime. That is 6 at the top here. So you connect this one too with thick line. Now we have not done 1 to 1. This is 1 at the bottom. 1 at the bottom is here. Then 1 prime. 1 prime is this one. So you connect them together with thick line like that. So at the base, everything with thick line all through. Yeah. So that is the auxiliary elevation of the frustum of the pyramid. So like I said earlier on, you assume it is solid except you are told otherwise. So you shade the cut part with 45 degrees set square, and you make sure your shading are equally spaced. Let them look equally spaced. The cut section, so like that. Similarly for this one too, you need to shade it like that. Make sure don't let your shading come out of the outline. So you do the shading. See, also shade this one. Then the elevation too, you have to make this one thick line, all the edges will have thick lines. On this one will have thick line like that. So that is the solution to the question. We have been able to derive the auxiliary plan from orthographic elevation, and we have been able to derive the auxiliary elevation from the orthographic plan. So you can, this is plan, you can write it. This is elevation, and this is auxiliary elevation. Elevation. So that is that. So that is the solution to the question. Like the video if you really enjoy what you have seen, share it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much. We'll meet in the next video.